Eric here. We're going to do another video. Today we'll do another magic video, and today I'll be teaching you guys a really cool coin matrix card trick, or card and coin trick. I did this a while back, but I only did the performance, and I tried doing the tutorial, but it was all black. I don't know why. So we're recording it again. So for this one, all you're going to be needing is just 4 cards. There's 4 random cards. I usually use the aces, but I didn't have it set up so I'll just use these random cards and 4 pennies. These will work fine. You can really use any coins, and you kind of want them to be the same. These 3 are the same, but that one's kind of rusted. It doesn't really matter. Only like really smart spectators will know that. And for this one, you need a soft surface that you can press down on. And also, guys, I actually learned some editing, so somewhere on the screen now you're going to see a subscribe button, a like button, and a bell button. So be sure to do that. Comment down below what your favorite trick is here, and let's get started. Alright, so basically all you're going to do is you're going to take each of these. Watch the performance, by the way, if you haven't already. No really setup. All you have to do is just take each card, put it down, make sure it's the same pace, right? But for this one, kind of the exposed view here, we're actually going to be putting it down, but using this. So you're supposed to be using this thumb, pressing down in here, using this finger to pull it up, and then put it down without them noticing. It's much less obvious if you do it normally. Then for this one, you just drop it down with the card. And for this one, you can do a little bit of flourish. Show them that it's just one card and it's going down with no shenanigans. Then you want to turn them sideways. That helps a bit with the trick. You want to feel for the edges, and once you do, that's perfect. This one, remember, doesn't have a coin in it, so you want to turn it over and be sure that you can pretend to feel it. And then this one has 2 already, so you want to put your finger here. And the reason why is you're actually going to be using this part of your thumb, and you're going to be carrying up. So you're going to go like carrying up using your fingernail, but you're not going to show them. You're going to go, this hand's going to go here. You're going to say, here we have 1 coin and 1 coin, right? But now, what you're going to do, you're going to carry this coin with your thumb here, like that. So you pick it up and carry it, and then you release that one. Now, there's none there and 2 there. And you're going to keep hold of the thing, by the way, here. And then all you're going to do is just do the same thing. 1 coin here, 2 coins there. And then drop this one. So now there's no coin. Drop it. And then you're going to carry this one. So you're going to carry that one. You're just going to do that. Boom. 0 coins there. 3 coins there. And then all you have to do is just do the last one. You can't really do the lift thing because that already has no coins. But that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed, and be sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss another video. Comment down below if you learned this trick. Bye, guys.